Namaste friends, my name is Sunil Talreja and my YouTube channel is SRT Tech Talk. So the basic idea about creating this channel is to provide a useful information regarding the payment of tax, the knowledge about tax and the recent updates regarding the taxes which are existing in India. So today I am going to deliver this video about the topic which I chose and which I thought it will be a useful way to provide the information so that everyone can see to it that what kind of the impact which is going to be uh, faced by everyone, and it is faced already. So the topic which I have chosen is the tax, the basic meaning of the tax. What is the tax? I I will move on the payment of tax, procedures of the tax, recent updates about the taxes in the future videos. But for today, the initial video which I am going to deliver to you is the meaning of tax. For the understanding of the uh, word tax, why it is brought into our lives by the many countries of the world. So what is the source of tax, that is how it came into our life. So let's start this topic, the meaning of tax. So what I suggest that you should watch the video till end, so that in any way I made any injustice to this topic, or I made any mistakes or made any irrelevant remarks, so that you can give me a feedback so that I can improve in the further or I can respond to the queries which is to be posted on my channel or my the contact detail which I am going to share at the end of my video. So let's start. So the first impression about tax in our minds is that what is the tax, how I am connected to tax, what it is, why it is, and how I am going to pay if I am subjected to tax. So to move further, first let us understand the dictionary meanings. What we say, it is the kind of the index. In every book we see the first is the introduction of the cover page of the book, and upon and after that we see a preface, that is the information about the writer of the book, what kind of it is, what we called it as gist, just in the short summary. So in short I have chosen the two dictionary meanings which are going to be very useful for understanding a layman in a common man, which is going to understand that what is the tax. First is the I picked up the Oxford dictionary meaning. Friends, don't don't predict that I chose the hard language. It is the very simple language. Even the Oxford dictionary has described this word tax of the three letters in a very simple way. What it says, it is money that you have to pay to the government, that the government should so that it can pay for the betterment of the people, social welfare, and and according to their the people who are paying the taxes should pay according to their income, the profits earned from the businesses, and the that is the portion of the earnings in the simple language we can derive this meaning by I have made one presentation also, which I am going to share the link in this my YouTube video, so I can so everyone can view that. It is hardly 12 to 13 slides which are there, which are going to be very useful for understanding concept about the tax, what kinds of taxes, which is going to be discussed in the future discussions. But what is the tax? I have made one simple presentation for all of the viewers, so that everyone can, even the students which are going to have topics. I think every board of the what we say is the at the educational level in the economics, they are going to introduce a variety of taxes like GST in their curriculum, so that from the beginning of the that their what is curriculum or educational period, so that even after the going to be a graduate, so they do not depend upon the practicing or experience, so that or even they do not have to make a course separately for understanding the text. So where we were that where we was the dictionary meaning. So first is the Oxford Dictionary. What is meaning made by the Oxford Dictionary? So what is it? It is the money that you have to pay to the government, and the government, so that the government can pay for the betterment of public. Public means it is the concept of mutuality. That means one is paying for all and all are paying for all. So this is the concept of mutual understanding. Like as a group of friends, they are delegating or making or giving a power to some X person of that group, so that he can take care of all the expenses of that group, so that they are sharing the whole amount of tax or the spend what the spending by contributing some portion from their pocket, so that the every spending which is going to be taken care by the person to whom they have delegated the task. Here in the tax concept, we delegate or we are delegating this task of making the spend, that means expenses of the country, to the elected government. Correct. So the second dictionary meaning, which I taken from the dictionary website, which is the Merriam-Webster dictionary. So it has a it is a two-way meaning, which is the first is the a charge usually of money imposed by authority on the person or property for public purposes. So here also we can say this is the same kind of the tax meaning, which is generally we understand, but a purpose is defined. That is, it is the modus operandi modus, we can say. It is the mode, in which mode the amount is collected. It is by way of monetary, money, currency. So and the second is a sum levied on members of an organization to defray expenses. That means what I said earlier, that amount which is going to be collected from a group of people for the spending on the expenditure of that group only. So the meaning, the dictionary, with there are many other dictionary meaning. So I don't wanted to complicate this topic by many dictionary meanings. I have made a simple attempt to firstly introduce the tax character in my video by way of dictionary meaning, and further I will go on with the this discussion.